So today we're going to be doing difference of squares, and we're going to need to watch out for common factors when we're factoring difference of squares. And then we have the difference of squares property, or aka the formula for difference of squares. So we have x2 minus y2 would be in brackets x plus y and in brackets x minus y. So this is the formula basically. And then we have perfect squares. So we have 1 to the power of 2 equals 1, 2 to the power of 2 equals 4, 3 to the power of 2 equals 9. So basically, we have every number to the power of 2, and we're recognizing that with these numbers, we're recognizing what the corresponding number with the coefficient to the power of 2 is. So basically, here's all of the perfect squares. If you need a moment to write them down, you can write them down if you'd like. And I will give you a moment to do that, to pause and write them down. And we'll be on. So we have a question that's already been answered. So we have x squared minus 9. So we have x plus 3 and x minus 3. And then we use our FOIL technique to expand out. So we have x squared minus 3x plus 3x minus 9. As you can see, it cancels out. And we're left with the original expression as well. So that's expand out to see if the result matches the equation given. So upon factoring, we expand, and we use our FOIL technique, and then we expand out to see if the result matches the equation given. Alright, moving on. So let's begin. So we have, get our brackets ready, x and x minus plus 4 minus 4. And if we were to expand out, we have x squared minus 4x plus 4x minus 16. And we cross out common, so we cross out minus 4x plus 4x because they just cancel each other out. Then we have x squared minus 16. Original expression. And so this is our answer. Moving on. So we have brackets. We have a and a. We have 8 plus and 8 minus a. And then we are going to expand. That we have 64, and we have minus 8a plus 8a minus a squared. Then we cross out minus 8a and plus 8a because they cancel each other out. 64 minus a squared. The original expression, and then we have our answer. Okay. Continue. So we have a common factor of 4. We have d squared minus 9. And then we have 4. And we get our brackets ready. We have d and d. That's plus 3 minus 3. So we have common factor 4. And then we factor bracket expression. And then if we were to, and then it would be d squared minus 3d plus 3. It would be minus 3d plus 3d minus 9. And again, we cross out we would cross out minus 3d and plus 3d because they cancel each other out. Then we have 4d squared minus 9, and it matches the original expression. Okay, moving on. We also have a common factor of 9. So we have h squared minus 9. And then we have 9, and then we get our brackets ready. We have h and h plus 3 minus 3. So we factor out common factor of 9. And then we factored bracket expression. Difference of squares. Moving on. And again, we have a common factor of 4. 9 minus g2. Then we have 4. Get our brackets ready. 3 plus g. 3 minus g. And that is what I got for that question there. We forgot to circle our answers. There you go. And then we have a common, so with this one, we have 3t plus 4 minus 4. And if you want to expand out, we have 9t squared minus 12t plus 12t minus 16. And then they cancel each other out. Minus 12t plus 12t cancels out. 9t squared minus 16. And that matches the original expression. And then we have our answer there. Okay, moving on. We have our brackets ready. So 9c and 9c plus 5 minus 5. And that is our answer. And then we're moving on. We have get our brackets ready. 9 plus 11y minus 11y. So with this one, we realize that there is a common factor of 4, and then we factored bracket expression. So this would be our answer. Now we have k. We have 5a plus 7 minus 7. And that's our answer. And there you go. That was factoring difference of squares, and I hope that you found that helpful. So basically, we followed the formula. We watched out for common factors. We factored difference of squares expressions. Thank you very much, and I hope you found this helpful. Have a great day.